Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Overnight oats offer a range of health benefits, due to their rich fiber and protein content. They also contain a number of vitamins and minerals, some of which include manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron and zinc. This makes overnight oats healthy for your gut, as well as for overall health and well-being. 4 May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Are overnight oats fattening? Whole grain oats are not fattening, however overnight oats can be if the mix-ins and toppings used are high in fat. Stick with healthy ingredients and overnight oats can be a hearty and nutritious addition to your regular diet routine. 10 November 2020.
Take our lead.
Consuming overnight oats daily can boost your fiber intake. It even disrupts blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Oatmeal is a good source of fiber. That said, consuming overnight oats by incorporating fruits, yogurt, or milk can increase your fiber intake and accelerate healthy fiber absorption in the body. 6 June 2017.
Take our lead.
Overnight oats are also more digestible after being soaked overnight. This means you absorb more nutrition from your food. Research has shown that a daily intake of healthy carbs like oats is connected with greater energy levels, improved mood and weight loss. 2.19 October 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.